Hello YouTube, this is GameMaker888 and I've got a tutorial on how to make a explosion sound effects. So first thing you need to do is you'll need a mic and you'll need Audacity. And the first thing you do is you hit record. And when you're recording, clap into the mic like this. Okay? Now that you got your clap sound into the mic or into Audacity on the track, select the extra audio and then hit the backspace or delete key. Do the same for the other side. Now go to Effect, change pitch. No, not change pitch. Change speed. Effect, change speed. Set to negative 44.000. Click OK. Click Effect. Change speed. Negative 44.000. And then go to Effect and Bass Boost. And then click OK. That should sound like an explosion. There you go. That sounds like an explosion. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, and I hope you enjoyed the video.